Hello everybody, welcome back to Barrow's Garage. Now, a little recap on my gas tank restoration videos. Some of the improvements that I know that I could do that would have speeded the whole process up. Number one is don't use baking soda, use cleaning soda or the stuff you get at the pool supplies place or at a box store back where they keep all the pool chemicals. What you want is sodium monocarbonate. It would have worked twice as fast with that. Also, I was doing it, you can see there, it's just a little itty bitty little battery charger. Now it is a manual, you have to use a manual one. You can't use an automatic one because basically what you're doing when you set that anode in there and then you hook your power to it, you're causing a direct short. Well, an indirect direct short, if you will, because the electricity is traveling through the water right over. That's going to heat up your battery charger like no tomorrow. And it did. It really warmed that little guy up, but it worked. If I would have had a better battery charger, it would have speeded up the process because it kept popping it off so it could cool down, and then it would kick on when it was cool enough to start the charge again. That's a big reason why it took so long. If I would have had a better battery charger, bigger one, it would have speeded things up. Plus the sodium monocarbonate cleaning soda, not baking soda, it would have worked a lot better. Anyway, I used the baking soda because I got lots of it and it's here. I didn't have to go to clear to town and clear back. That's why I did it this way. And not everybody has it, so heck, give it a shot with what you got, right? But that's some of the improvements. And then you also heard me mention about the J-hook to get the positive end lower than the hydrogen gas that was coming out. That would have been another improvement on it. But if you was to follow, well, the next time I do it, I'll try it with them and the proper stuff, and I'll hook my bigger battery charger up to it. I just have it up to the other shop is all, and it was tied up. This one was free. Anyway, that's what I got for this one, and that's some of the improvements that I've made that I could think of so far that would speed this whole process up. But in the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot and keep these old girls on the road where they belong. We'll catch you on the next one.